Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to my channel, Scale Model Kit Review. I'm back with another model kit review. This time it is the Atlantis Visible Creature, part of the Super7 series, and this kit just came out back in 2022. It is part of the Universal Monsters Creature from the Black Lagoon. Now this is basically a repop of the old Aurora Creature from the Black Lagoon model kit. However, we know it has the real monster guts inside, makes it a visible creature. So without further ado, let's open up the box and see what's inside the SMKR way. And I'm back. Let's go ahead and open this up. And first thing we see are all the clear parts for the creature. And the internal parts, the pink parts there. The instructions, Aurora style instructions there. Let's look at these just here real quick. And I'll give you a closer view, but it's a simple, just a fold out instruction guide. And something else going on there. So let's go ahead and take the parts out and we'll look at the instructions here last. I'll be right back. Here's a layout of all the parts dealing with the creature and the small lizard down below. We'll look at these individually. Also, I put aside the base and the parts dealing with that, along with the internal parts that makes this creature so visible. And here's the first part. We have the feet, the head, the hands. Looks like the back of the neck. Closer view of the head and the feet. The hands. Back of the neck. The other foot. Inside of the hands. Perhaps, and I may try this, glue this together with some clear resin. Here's the next tree. And we'll get the dinosaur and the torso. Here's the front of the torso. The back of the torso. One side of the dinosaur. He's cool. And the other side of the dinosaur. The legs, the arms, the back spine. Close up of the legs. Very detailed there. Back spine. The arms. The other side of the legs and arms. Very detailed there. Of course, the fins have detail on both sides of the sprue. And the next ones. These are all the parts dealing with the diorama base. Parts of a tree, skeletal hand, part of his face, his lips, the gills on each side. Very nice there. Very cool. and the tree. Parts for the diorama. Close-up of that. And there is a stamping. Get close to that. You can read that. Very good. It says Revell, 1994. And of course, Revell got this from Aurora. Here's the base itself. A little bit of flash going on there, but everything being clear here. I see some mold release on this and a stamping. Very cool. And the very subtle nameplate, the creature. And this is cool. All the parts are individually wrapped in plastic to protect them. I'll take them out. And here's all the internal guts of the creature. Now we have no idea if the creature is human-like or not. It could be more like an insect. It could be a mammal that we've never seen before. So we have no idea what the guts would look like. But this is the representation of that. Very cool. I love the color. Bright pink. Yep. Here's the torso. What looks to be the front. And what looks to be the back. But I may have that backwards. And that right there. And that right there. Put a black light on it and see what that looks like. And that, look at that glow. Super cool with the black light. Very impressive. Yeah, very cool. Here's a close-up of the instructions. Instructions for assembly. And there's our creature. What he looks like on the base. Build the base first. Assemble the creature. The other part of the creature assembly. Put his rear fin on. And that's what he looks like. Backside of the instructions. And that was a what's in the box review of the Atlantis Super 7 Visible Creature, which was a repop from the old 1996 Revell kit. Also the Aurora Creature of the Black Lagoon kit. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for all video upload notifications, and smash that like button. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.